What's going on, guys? I've been thinking about this for a little bit, and I kind of want to poll everybody to see what your thoughts are on this. So it's the hypothetical $10,000 question. So if you had 10 grand to spend on any car you wanted, what car would you get and why? And, you know, I've been doing a lot of research and trying to figure out, like, you know, if I had that money just to drop on a toy, what toy would I buy? And I think I've narrowed it down to two things, and I'm not quite sure exactly which one I would actually land on. And I'm kind of curious to see what your thoughts are and get your opinions and see which one you'd pick. And then, of course, out of those two, maybe which one you would pick that maybe I'm not thinking about. So I came down to the conclusion that I would look at either, you know, a C3 Corvette or a C4 Corvette, somewhere in the late 70s to, you know, through the 80s, maybe even the early 90s. You can get a C4, you know, early 90s, like a 92, pretty reasonable, with decent mileage on it and all that. So, and that runs around that $10,000 range. The other part is Mustang. So I've always been a Ford guy, and I've had two Mustangs in the past. So that's another car that, again, I could easily pick up a Mustang 10 grand and find a decent one. So my question is out of those two, what would you pick? Why? And then what am I not thinking about? I mean, obviously I've looked at Camaros, I've looked at a couple other things, but, you know, even like older BMWs, like a 335i, something along those lines. But I'm just kind of torn. I'm not quite sure. I definitely want something sporty, something with some power, something that's fun. So I'd love to hear your opinion. Please drop a comment in the box below. Thank you for checking out the videos. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you also check out our giveaway we have going on right now. Go to michaelgrassoshop.com, learn more about that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.